Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a really special Thunderbird with the Roadster package. It's a 1961 convertible. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, see about 100 photos, get the price, not only on this car, but a few hundred collector cars we have. They're all for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see them as they come out. But I have a lot to tell you about this car. The top's down. Join me. Let's go for a spin. Right away, I want to point out, look at the design of it. It looks like a missile. And if you go all the way to the back, the round tail lights are like the rocket thrusters. So it's just a good looking car. Inside and out, it's got the console with the big wraparound dash. It's just, I think these cars are really undervalued. If you really pay attention to it, it's got a lot of great character. This one is one of the best ones I've seen in a long time. It is ground up restored. Underneath, the floors are as dry as a chalkboard. They're painted a satin black, and you can tell when it was restored, all the components were off underneath. The whole front end is new bushings, all the nuts and bolts and hardware, like on the back of the brakes, the nuts, bolts, lines, all that was replaced. It was probably done within the last 10 years or so, but you can tell it was a proper restoration. It's not just spray canned over to make it look pretty. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. The automatic transmission's clean. It does have dual exhaust. The suspension in back also looks like it was apart. So real nice underneath. It's got new tires. Now the Roadster package included the Kelsey Hayes wire wheels with the spinners. It included the fender skirts and this tonneau cover. There is a full back seat under here. This is super light. There's two big wing nuts. One person, it's very light. One person easily lifts that off. And you have a full, 4-5-seater convertible. That also does not interfere at the top. You can have that on. Actually, if you wait, we'll demonstrate towards the end of this video. We're going to put the top up and down because it's pretty neat display how the top works on this. The lids fold and open and the top comes up. And again, the top does not interfere with this. Getting back to the condition, outstanding. The body and paint's beautiful. I was looking down the sides of it before we started. The doors fit really nice. Very nice uniform gap. No bubbles or blisters or anything like that. You have to look for it, but one little scratch which was touched up very nicely right there. It's the only thing I found, but all the gaps are nice, and again, it's straight. Paint's polished out beautifully. This paint's better than it would have been from the factory. All of the chrome, the tail lights, the chrome, the bumpers, the medallions, the stainless moldings, these trim here, the button, the mirrors, all this stainless. Everything has either been professionally restored or replaced. So it's beautiful chrome. The interior has been redone. It has power windows, which is nice on the Roadster because otherwise you got to reach in here to crank the window. So power windows. I see it has a power seat. It has the Thunderbird reproduction floor mats. Another unique feature is the steering wheel swings out of the way for getting in and out. Also has an inside hood release, which was rather uncommon back then. Motor compartment, show quality. Look at that, it's beautiful. 390 with 300 horse, 4-barrel, smooth. It just pulls this car down the road effortlessly. And look at how all the metal, the factory spot welds and seams, all of it's really clean. Everything is just nice and square and all painted gloss red, even under the hood. Then all the components, the hood hinges, the radiator shroud, all that was painted separately. The components on the firewall. The hinges, it has hood insulation, it has the washer fluid bag, the wires and hoses, everything's proper. It has all the decals. Look how nice the door jambs. The weather strips are real nice. Here's a nick on the corner of the door panel. So it looks like an original door panel that's in really nice shape. Cushions look good in the seats. Dash pad's real nice. That's a big deal. And all the trim on the dash looks real nice. Visors have been replaced. Has red seat belts front and back. Now this isn't a trunk, that's why I'm not opening it. The top will come out of there, but we're going to do that when we back it out because I like to let it run when you run that top. Something else I want to tell you about the top. $1,000 was just spent upgrading it with some modern features, so the top is much more reliable. I think it had something to do with micro switches and electronics. I don't know exactly what they did, but the top has been modernized, so it's more reliable than the original. Let me start it up. Steering wheel's in nice shape. Gauges are beautiful. Interior lights work. They said all the trim in here looks real nice. The mirror inside the center console's nice. Has an owner's manual. Heater controls look real good. You can see there's a back seat underneath here, and it's all in excellent shape. Has seat belts in the back. The steering wheel slides away. Once you take it out of park, it locks in, so that won't move while you're driving. It has power steering, power brakes. The Thunderbird valve covers look like they've been re-chromed. The motor itself is spotless. Not greasy. That's a really nice car. One of the nicer examples like this that I've seen in a long time. See the beautiful chrome on the dash, and all this trim is real nice. Here's the swing away wheel. Beautifully restored inside the trunk compartment there too. All the brackets and the flat liner, everything's painted nice. He's had some really great features and designs inside and out. I don't think these cars have gotten as much credit as they deserve. Beautiful car. I'd get in it and drive it anywhere. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find plenty of ways to contact us. Our staff will answer your questions about the car, about the process, delivery, financing. We can help with all that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, next video comes out, you'll see it first. So thanks for watching.